Day 4, triggers and habits rewired. By day 4, resistance might be kicking in. This is too hard. Do I even need to do this? Maybe I wasn't that bad. That voice is not your enemy. It's your old habit trying to keep its job. So the focus of day 4 is turn your trigger map into 1 or 2 concrete new habits. Ask yourself, when am I at highest risk during the day? What is one habit I can build into that slot that's incompatible with my old behavior? For example, if evenings are dangerous, you might commit to a 20-minute walk, 10-minute of journaling. You may text someone, checking in, day 4, still going. So your non-negotiable action for day 4 is choose one anchor habit and commit to it for the rest of the 7 days. Every day at a time of your choosing, instead of your old behavior, I will do new habit, even if I don't feel like it. It's better to pick something tiny and do it than something heroic and abandon it. So a reflection question for day 4. What story does my brain tell me right before I usually relapse? Is it true? Write that story down in full. Seeing it on paper steals some of its power. So that's the end of day 4. Remember, be kind to yourself. Feed yourself. Hydrate yourself and get some rest. And we'll see you tomorrow in day 5.